Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain. Okay, there is one interesting topic. Okay, how to recycle the application tool in Windows hosting. Okay, Pulse. Okay, in Pulse Admin. Actually, recently I'm facing this issue. Okay, my all sites completely down. Okay, how we can recycle the application full? How we can make it up your website? Okay, so I will show from the GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy is one of the hosting provider. Okay, I will explain upcoming videos. What is the hosting domain? How we can place your domain? How we create a website? Okay, I try to cover these all interesting topic. Okay. First, I'll try to explain this is one kind of issue how we can fix this issue. Okay, this is a GoDaddy. Okay, if you go that you can log in first. Okay, already I log in with my credential. Okay, these are my account data. I'll go to corresponding my product. Okay, I will show step by step. Okay, where need to go, how we can do the recycling. Okay, I'm going with corresponding my product detail. You can see these all are my domains. Okay, go to corresponding your hosting area. Okay, click manage. So when you are click manage, okay, it will go to your hosting page. Okay, over there we have option to launch Pulse Admin. Okay, few minutes, it's keep on loading. It depend on that your internet connection. Mm, okay, parallelly I will show that. Okay, we don't want to be ideal here. Okay, you can see here. See right, this is one kind of site. This is also my one website. Okay, see if you see this keep on loading. It's not site is not up. Something problem in our hosting. Okay, now we're going to fix this one. Okay, I try to read and see, keep on. Okay, let's come to hosting. See, these are my corresponding primary domain. Okay, this is domain is not working. Okay, these are my IP address, everything. You can see the Pulse admin. Okay, if you click here, it will go to your corresponding uh, hosting page. Okay. So if you are opening already, okay, maybe the time will coming very fast. If you are opening first time, it take time because it will load all your corresponding pages, sites, and everything. Okay, that's time. That's the reason it's taking more time. Okay, wait some time. As I told, depend on your internet connection also. Mm, yes, you can see now it's loaded. So this is the Pulse admin. Okay, Pulse admin. Okay, it's click accept cookies. Okay, see if you see here in this hosting, I hosted multiple websites. Okay, we can see these all are websites one by one. You can see. So these are all the websites I hosted here. Okay, see uh, sometime what happen when you log in, maybe you can't see these options. Okay, what happen? It will be collapsed. Okay, you can see now. So sometimes it will be like this. You have to click show more. When you click show more, you can able to see. Okay, see I'm copying this domain. I'm pasting here. See this is also one live website, but this is also not working. Keep on loading. Okay, now I'm going to do recycle application full for this websites. How I'm going to do here? Sorry. Okay, if we come here, you have to be here website and domain. Under this is a domain. If we go down, you can see option will be there. Okay, dedicated IASS application pool for this website. Okay, we are separate application pool will be created automatically. Okay, when you are creating website, I will show that how you going to create new site in this Pulse admin as well. Okay, I'm clicking here. Okay, let's come to here. So initially what happened, it's showing that switched off. Okay, we need to make switched on. Okay, I'm clicking switched on. it will come. I think it's taking time. We can wait. We can wait. I'm not sure. Yes, finally it's came. Okay. See here. See, this is the option we are talking here. Okay. Based on this option, we can recycle the IASS application pool for this only this website. Okay. I'm going to click here. I'm going to recycle now. See, it is showing. Please wait. See, now we done. See, application pool was successfully recycled. Okay. Now we can check this side. Okay. Copy this side. Okay. We can check separate window, private window, paste. See, now site is up. Okay, now the issue has been resolved by after recycling the application pool. Okay, I hope you like this the quick session. Okay, please subscribe my channel. In upcoming video, I try to show some other topic we can discuss about that. Okay, okay. Thanks all. Bye.